The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new AQ1102C filter into the housing, with its arrow pointing up. Reinstall the filter housing door. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.